Or instead of doing a video, help me.
How do I help?
Like this.
Santos! Santos!
So mount 2 of these, you don't have to put the sensor. Get it set up ready.
Why full set?
Where's the gun?
Oh, it's right there.
Hey, I hate that gun.
Did it hurt?
Yeah.
It's water in there though.
All right, we're doing something inappropriate here. We finished up this Nardo Grey Urus. We got a set of RDB signature wheels. The customer originally wanted black, and then he changed his mind and he wanted polished and silver. Unfortunately, that takes about a week to 2 weeks to get redone. We had only 3 days to do it. 2 of them are done, 2 of them are not done. So we're gonna throw on 2 on one side. The other side, we happen to have another wide body Urus project wheels before the car's even here. We're gonna throw that on the other side. So we're literally doing this just to film it for you guys. We want to film this Nardo Grey Urus. It's really badass. And yeah, just mind only the driver's side. That's what it's supposed to look like. The passenger side is gonna have temporary wheels, but still the same size, so no effects to the car. But yeah, we just want to film it for you guys, so stay tuned.
Thank you. These are gonna stay on the car, so put sensors on these.
He's a loser, bro. Vic is a loser. Cannot drive a car.
Who's that? What's on this window?
Vic, come. No, it's worse. It's a gum on the car.
Oh, I spit that up. I did that. I spit it out right now. It's my gun.
Corsa mode, not a sport.
Sport.
Sport?
I'm not on a racetrack, bro.
Hey, how come this car looks better?
Because it's for my client, then I care about my clients. I'm like, yeah.
You tell me this car is better than your car.
Yeah, it's better.
It is.
It is.
What are you trying to get out of it?
Yeah. Well, yeah, the reason why there's an F5 came, he's like, this one is better than your F5. Like, look, but your wheels are bigger than this one, correct? More wider. What do you guys think? Is this better than Vic's car or not? Just put on the comment which one you guys like more, this one or Vic's car.
Alright guys, we are standing in front of this beautiful factory Nardo Grey Lamborghini Urus. And yes, of course, it has a full wide body kit on there. As you can see, the hood, the front lip, the front flares, full wide body painted to match the vehicle. Not a wrap, this is painted. This car's lowered and it's sitting on 24-inch wheels. There's something tricky about this car. I explained it earlier to you guys, and now you get to see the wheels on there. This side has the RDB signature wheels. That side has Veloce wheels that are going on another wide body project. However, 2 of the wheels didn't make it, so we kind of went with it just to, you know, show you guys. But yeah, this is a full carbon fiber kit, exposed carbon fiber everywhere throughout. The right way, obviously. This kind of resembles my car, but in the Nardo Grey version. And it's honestly really, really nice. It has that white cream interior, so gray on cream. I think we're gonna do some more carbon fiber stuff on it sooner or later, but for now, this is what it is. Let us know which side you like better, the silver wheels or the black and smoked clear wheels. That's actually a very different configuration. I've never seen that color here. Black lip with that smoked center, kind of cool. It's also a very deep configuration, so let us know which side you guys prefer. One's a little bit funkier, one's a little bit cleaner, but yeah, you guys already know which one I like, so choose. Okay, Moses, come here. Both of you have to come here.
Explain the rules.
You have shields. Come here. Can't put anything behind you, cheater.
Can't hit our fingertips.
I can hit anything I want. That's your shield.
How do they win though?
How did they win?
Yeah.
Who survives the longest?
No, we're gonna make a line. If they pass that line,
What?
that means
Okay,
they
stand
lose.
in this line.
So
then.
this is the line here. So if they do this, they lose.
Yeah.
3, 2, go. His back is getting.
Hey, that's
I ran out.
Damn it!
A double feature Urus episode. This is a full satin white wrapped Urus. This car is actually red. It went from red to satin white. Very, very difficult to do. Other than that, it's pretty much bone stock. We've actually worked on this car quite a bit. Has about 45,000 miles. Highest mileage Urus I've seen. Still bulletproof, drives really well, no problem. So really, really good car. And yeah, like I said, it was red, so, and it's locked. So we did door jams and everything, because obviously with the red, you don't want to show. So there you have it. All the red is gone. This one had that red suede, which was really cool inside. So two-tone black and red. But yeah, it's very difficult to do a full red car to satin white without showing off any red. And that's where you have it. So satin white, not satin pearl white. This is just pure satin white with the gloss black roof, some black accents throughout. Really clean Urus, honestly. So there you have it.